Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. So guys, we have two openings to discuss in this video. One from the Infosys for 0 years of experience as an analyst role and another from Amazon as software development engineer in location Karnataka for the freshers as well. Okay, so one thing that I would like to highly recommend from all the comments and from all the requests that we see day to day from you guys, that is mostly we get the request, okay, that is when TCS is hiring, like when Infosys is hiring, when Wipro will be hiring, Cognizant, Accenture, Capgemini. So these are top companies. Obviously, these are top companies in the world. But I would like to suggest, rather than sticking into these 3, 4 normal companies that do conduct on campus and off campus drive frequently, there are so many other companies as well who gives a great exposure to a career. Okay, so like we used to see the constant pattern, like if we provide some greater opportunities, or if we have less audience for that, but who made use of that opportunity will be getting placed in a higher packages with a higher career growth. Okay, so I would personally would like to recommend everyone to, just explore. Okay, just spread your focus around larger number of companies, because the team that you get in, the domain that you get in, or the role that you get in can highly contribute. Okay, so it's not about like 2, 3 companies focusing about that and all. You just try applying to a wide ranges. Just see what career you want and just explore that. Okay, explore the whole of these industries. You are just looking at small pebbles and you are losing big stones on the way. Okay, so don't let that happen for you. So try applying to all the opportunities that you're seeing around and just learn about new companies, like focus upon new opportunities and grow. Okay, so let me start. Before that, if you're very new to our channel, consider subscribing our channel and activating the bell icon as well to get the notifications at the right time. Okay, so first, let me start with the software development engineer in Amazon itself. So they're hiring to the location Karnataka, Bangalore. And now you can see it in here, the basic qualification and preferred qualification they mentioned. So what they're expecting you to have is you must be 0 to 2 years of experience. Okay, that is till freshers, and the people having experience till 2 years is fine to apply to this role. Okay, now they want you to have the programming experience, at least one modern language like Java, C++, or C hash. And also Perl is also accepted here. You can see that they have mentioned here. Okay. Okay, so these are the languages that you should know. And you must be having a bachelor's degree in computer science or related fields. Okay, in case if you have some of the circuital branches. Okay, some of the circuital branches will be having equal importance in the syllabus for the computer science fields. Okay, it will be 50-50. So those kind of branches also can apply. So they want you to have like computer science papers in your graduation. So if you have that, you are well and good to apply. Okay, now the ability to take raw requirements and convert into good design while exploring technical feasibility. Then computer science fundamentals in object-oriented design, computer science fundamentals in data structure, computer science fundamentals in algorithm design, problem solving, complexity analysis, excellent technical communication skill, proficiency at least on modern programming languages such as C, C++, Java, or Perl. Okay, so these are the requirements. So since they have mentioned this is for a bachelor's degree in computer science or related fields, those graduates will definitely have these many things inside their syllabus itself. So if you are to apply to this role, you just need to brush up all the things which you learned throughout your course. That's all required. Okay, so these are the basic qualification. And guys, this is a very good opportunity. If you have the skill, if you have the interest, then it's a very good opportunity to stand. So many students, so many freshers, graduates are getting into Amazon for SD1 role with their preparation. Okay, so it's not like top people in from top colleges itself. There are students who got into this from normal colleges and normal with average academic performance. Okay, average students, but what they did is they have the skill, they developed their skill, they learned the things what is required by the company and apply to it, and started with it. Okay, so I would recommend you to do that, because once you get into this, then you have a longer way to go and you will have a smooth path to go. Okay, so that's important, right? Okay, now preferred qualification, they have mentioned like expertise in object-oriented design and coding skills like Java, C or C++, preferably on Unix or Linux, expertise in Android or iOS internals, experience with Android backend development and exposure to Android account manager, broadcast and performance, etc. Experience in mobile, SDK development, web services and web applications or services development experience, experience in developing or distributed scalable systems and high volume transaction applications in a 24/7 environment. Okay, so these are the preferred qualification. If you have this qualification, well and good, else you can develop. Okay, because this is mainly focusing upon the experienced people. So if you're a 0 years of experience, then this is what you should have for mandatory. Okay, so I hope you understood. And here nowhere they have mentioned this is only for these batches. So any batch can apply if you have this skill, if you have this required qualifications or eligibility criteria. Okay, so now coming to CTC, the starting CTC for the STE developer engineer is starting from 23 LPS. Okay, so 30 LPS is now like most of the students from Taiwan colleges are getting. So 23 plus LPS will be the base salary that you can get. Okay, once you get into this role. And when I say 23 LPS is a base, it means 23 plus can happen. Okay. Now to apply for that, you can click on this apply button and you need to make a login to Amazon Careers. For that, you can, if you have already, then you can log in with Amazon, else you can start a fresh new profile, creating a fresh new profile. Okay, so for that you need to upload your resume, then you need to give your education details, your personal information. If you have work experience, you can give that, else you can completely skip that section. Your contact details, address, every proofs. Okay, so once you give all those, you can submit to this opening and you can watch your mail, because they will respond through mail and they will let you know about the further application process. Okay, so I hope these details regarding the Amazon opening is pretty much clear to you. Please to apply to the earliest, whoever can apply to it, whoever qualified with the eligibility criteria, and share this opening details with your friends as well, because this is a very good opportunity which most of the people has tried and they have got into it. Okay, so many of you can grab this. Okay, so that's it. Now let's discuss about the other one, which is from Infosys. So Infosys is hiring for the analyst, okay, in transition Bangalore. And you can say this is for 0 years of experience. And they have mentioned educational requirement is Master of Business Administration. So all the MBA candidates, you can definitely apply to this, and only that is what they have mentioned. Okay, MBA is only what they have mentioned, no other eligibility criteria and all. So when you go through this responsibilities, you will get to understand like what all the things that will be performing under this role. So you'll get an idea about what is about this role, and you will get so that idea will help you to crack the interview, because interviewer will be making sure these qualities are there in you. Are you capable of doing this many jobs? Okay, so that's how it works. So I hope you are understanding the facts. So apply to the earliest and share this link with whoever have this education requirements met. Okay, now to apply for that, you can click on to this apply button and you need to make a login. If you are new, you can register here and you need to give your resume, your basic skill, your contact details, your name details and all. Submit to it. Okay, so that is how you submit to this particular opening application step. So once you apply to that, watch your mail, you will get the response through mail communication. Now about the CTC details, like for this analyst transaction section, the starting CTC around 5 plus LPs, 5.3, 5.4, 5, 6, 7. These are the ranges of CTC that we'll be getting for the people, eligible candidates. Okay, so I hope all the details are pretty much clear to you, and I would again would like to request you that just try make use of all the opportunities than sticking on to 3 4 companies. There are a lot many opportunities around, and I'll try to bring all of them which is like applicable for you, which is taking a larger number of applicants. Okay, so just try applying to this every opportunities and just research about the companies, just expand your knowledge about the companies. Okay, you may not be hearing the top companies in the world, maybe because that they won't be taking these many effort. Okay, just every year they won't be hiring. If there is an opening only they will be hiring, but you need to keep a track of those companies, because once you get into this, then everything will be double easier than you compare to get in here. That's the difference. Obviously there's a difference, right? So this difference will definitely help you. So it's very important to keep a track on things. So once you are in your final year, okay, I mean, I would recommend you to take it up before your final year. Like if you're a 3 year graduate, then from second year. If you're a 4 year graduate, from third year. So just try about learning new company names, what the company is doing, and like that. Okay, so expand your knowledge about different companies available, and try just see how they are hiring and what time they will be hiring, which month they used to come it up, and while they're hiring, what is the requirement that they're putting forward. So you can develop your skill according to that. You have time, like around 2 years of time to develop yourself, and you can apply to this and go through the selection process successfully. So that's very important. And just keep this research going from very previous of the last year itself. That's very important. That's how you progress yourself. Okay, so in case of any doubts or any requirements, or if you don't know like how can you proceed, all those doubts, you can put that in the comment section. I'll definitely try to reply to all your queries if it is apart from things that mentioned in the video. Okay, and suggestions regarding the video content, well, welcome to the comment section. So friends, everybody, until I'm back with another hiring video, everybody stay safe, stay happy, and stay tuned to Online Study for You.